The Minister for Commerce, Industry and Trade, Jabulani Mabuza, has encouraged Swazis to support the Buy Swazi Campaign. The minister was speaking during the official opening of the 2017 Motor Expo at Mavuso Trade Center.
During the first edition of the Swazi Motor Show 2016, 1 million emalangeni was raised. Speaking here at the Mavuso Sports Center when officially opening the 2017 edition, the Minister for Commerce, Jabulani Mabuza, encouraged Swazis to support the Buy Swazi campaign.
To promote the Buy Swazi campaign or initiative, which my ministry launched some years back with a view to creating awareness on the value of supporting locally produced and distributed goods. While we drive the Buy Swazi campaign, we are cognizant of the fact that the industry still relies mostly on imported products. I would like to state that it is my wish to see the industry growing to the extent of local manufacturing and value addition of some of these components. And obviously, the role remains largely with the industry players.
A majority of Swazis cannot afford these cars. Why? They do not have the deposits that financiers require. We spoke to the president of the Motor Association, Brett Force, who shed some light on this very critical issue.
All the motor dealers obviously partner with the various finance houses and finance institutions. You quite rightly pointed out that vehicle prices are increasing and potentially getting a little bit beyond the range of many buyers. I think this is where the dealerships try to engage with the finance houses on competitive and innovative finance arrangements, such that our more affordable products can actually be attainable by a first-time buyer or someone looking to add on and get maybe an additional family vehicle. And then also for the finance houses to engage with businesses and small businesses to just sit down and work out terms that can support those businesses with their transport needs.
As long as the deposit issue has not been resolved between the car dealers and the financiers, people will always go for imports. For Swazi TV News, I'm Linton Pule with Sihle Dlamini, Esulini.